We're gonna play another Animal Hospital because that was really fun. But I'm gonna play on my tablet, not on my brother's computer, not on my PS5. I'm gonna play it with Johan. I'm gonna play it on my tablet, by the way. Let's get right into the video. Let's get right into the video. Okay. Alright, we're in the game. We're just trying to survive as long as we want. It maybe take as long as the other one. I don't know what happened. The comments didn't work. So if the comments do work, you can comment on the other video. I'm gonna comment down below on my video what other video ideas we should make for each other. And also, what's the prize? Because I also won the last game with I 1v1 Johan. Coming out, what's the prize?
You go into room 1 because it's obviously gonna be room 1.
Obviously. Man.
Okay, there's one more person that's coming in. I can do room 1. And then room 2.
Alright. Come here, mister. If you don't know what's this game, this is a game that you need to take patience and and help them. But also there is anomalies that are dangerous and you don't save them at all.
Yeah, because if you accidentally save one of them,
it will start attacking you and also the other people.
Yeah. And you got 3 lives. Okay.
Room 2, you doing it?
Yep.
Okay, I'll get the eye drops.
Okay. Yeah, it's either eye drops or herbs.
The first patient's herbs, the second patient's eye drops. It's always that. I have the eye drops. You already did the herbs.
I need eye drop.
I already have the eye drops.
Yeah, but I want to do.
You want to do it? So you want to do it?
Yeah, I want to do mine. Yeah, I'm so hungry.
I know.
They take forever to get food.
Oh, by the way, we're getting dinner, so there might be you might hear us eating while we're playing because we don't want to lose our treat. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not gonna let us eat. I think I was the best. Yeah.
Okay, I'll wait for the patients to come, like the passengers.
Oh, that's the blue deer.
Oh yeah, the blue deer. If it doesn't have any patterns, that means there could be a chance that.
Hold on, I'm gonna check if it's a visitor.
If it's a visitor, and that means it's definitely an entity.
Yeah.
Gotta do this. Uh-huh. It's passenger.
Yes?
No, patient.
Patient. I don't think we should let him in.
Do you check the picture?
I just don't feel safe with him. Oh, that's not an anomaly. You know why?
Yeah, we can do the ritual.
Yeah, we can do the ritual. Do we want to?
Yes.
No, it's switching its head.
Yeah, if it wasn't, we can do it.
Yeah, if it wasn't, we would do it. What? No service?
No service.
I'm leaving.
I'm leaving.
Another one back to back?
Oh. Please be.
Oh, it's banging on the window.
It's banging on the
Here, I
window.
got the coffee.
Oh, yeah, it's twitching as well. Okay, I'll check this person. I'm Yoki Sprouts. I'm here for my appointment.
You can take the phone. Patient.
Patient.
Okay.
Do you check the cameras?
Check cams. Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, he's fine.
Thanks. I'll be in room at 5.
Okay, I'll go 5.
Ooh, this game is actually so addicting.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, the summoner.
Wait, what is it? What's his name again?
I think Richard or something like that.
Being small and its advantages. I hear things. I see things. It's a dangerous job.
I'm gonna do it. Oh, what the frick? Okay, never mind.
I'm usually a patient. Oh! That was the stalker.
You looked at it?
Yeah, I didn't realize it was the stalker. I just saw it.
Oh, yeah, I see it. So, I read and I didn't even look at it. What?
Oh, that's bad.
Oh, and probably you can't see his, if you don't look at his face for the end. Like, don't look at his face, and if you see his face at all and you're like on the entire screen, that means it'll see you. Alright, maple syrup.
I
And,
dropped some thermo.
oh wait, ivy drops. Okay, I finished my passing.
Okay. I'm done with him.
Oh, stop ringing the bell.
Yeah, like for real, man. We're here.
I'll check cameras. Okay, camera good, camera good. Patient good.
Patient.
Patient, alright.
I will be in room 3.
Room 3.
Hi, Nanny. We're making a video.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh. Okay. Oh, in 4 seconds it's here.
The
I need it very bad.
holy crap.
Get the maple syrup. Maple syrup.
Yeah, maple syrup. Let's get the crap out of me. We don't know what it is, we just feed the maple syrup and it's good.
Oh, there's one. What room did they call? Oh, room 3.
I'm already in room 3.
They don't have the fire extinguisher anymore. Yeah. So I'll just clean it.
Yeah.
Or I can open the door for you.
I appreciate it. Okay. Phenomenal with the pool.
Right here, right now. And then maple. No, wait. Let me check again.
Maple
Yeah,
syrup.
maple syrup. I wonder why we are using a lot of maple syrup.
Because they're not eating sugar. These people are like healthy.
Alright, doctor's ready. We gotta get that. There it is.
Oh, there's some,
There's the doctor. I'm opening new facilities for you. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift.
peekaboo.
Whoa, you can buy sodas?
Yeah, the soda just makes you fast though. You can't have too much. So all of this is useless basically. Now watch him go bye-bye into the no access zone. Bye. How is it you? You did nothing. I did most of the work. What the heck? Okay, he's straight. He's not gay.
Why would you say that in the video? I'm checking in.
Okay, you're not twitching. His mouth is not open.
He said patient. Just to make sure. Nope.
And I'm checking ears, eyes, patient. Okay, I'll check him out.
Room 7.
Room 7. Ooh.
Almost room 8. Alright, I need to remember this. So this guy's got, he's got spiky ears. And he's got 2 different colors of eyes. Okay, I gotta remember that.
Come in, Mr. President, I guess.
He looks fine.
You look fine.
Yeah, but we need to check these cameras. He's not looking at us or having anything to do with us.
I'm locked in here.
And it's a patient. Patient on fire?
You have to find my finger foot.
My finger foot? Fire my finger foot?
Yeah, that's a fire extinguisher. I just like calling it fire my finger foot for the funny views.
Yeah, fire my finger foot.
Funny movement.
Oh, I need to use it again.
Back it and just back here.
This guy's gonna wait. Okay.
Okay, treats. Checking
Yeah,
cam. No, just wait. That's him. Patient. You gonna do this one? Yeah, I looked at cameras. Alright, you're gonna take this guy, right?
Oh my god, bro.
Why are you not using the find my finger for?
Because it'll just take longer. Actually, no, I did it.
Oh, wait, 2 cameras are down.
Well, I need to fix the camera. There,
I closed it.
Why?
Because on the cameras it showed like an ugly guy.
Find my finger for
Find my finger for. Find my finger for. Camera for.
Oh.
Weren't you just there? Okay, you could be promising.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna crap out of me. I think this guy's good, unless he has the visitor badge. Okay. He's good. I'll take him. What is it?
Room 8.
Room 8? You wanna help me with this?
Yeah. Oh, it's the coffee guy. Hold on. Thank God we got coffee. Oh wait, no!
No, don't take. Let me drink it. Let me drink the coffee.
Okay, you have the coffee.
I'm gonna drink it in front of his face.
Hey, friend. I'm Barney. Can you give me a coffee? I had a long day.
Yeah, I'll give you the coffee. Hold on, let me drink. Let me drink some. Oh, I drank all of it. Sorry.
Get out. Goodbye. Oh. You better watch out. I don't like being refused.
No, bye-bye.
Oh,
Okay.
you better watch out. Be quiet.
You're gonna do roommate.
You're gonna help me, right?
I'm gonna make sure like there's no bad guys.
Okay. Should I put him to sleep?
Yeah, alright, do it. I got this side. Heavy drop, you got that right?
Yeah. Bandages?
Oh,
you got that.
okay,
You got
that's
that.
all.
You got that.
Sorry, my lag.
And,
Heart.
okay. Okay. Transplant.
Transplant.
Oh, I got him. Oh, we got too much. Medkit.
Okay, medkit. You get the
And
medkits.
medicine.
I got the medicine.
Okay.
There's two. There's two medkits. Yeah, we did it.
Alright, let's go. Monster.
Oh, it's this thing. It's this guy. Oh no, it's that thing again. Okay, get
I
this.
got it. I'll get it. Alright, you don't need to help.
You got it?
Yeah.
Transplant.
Yeah.
Okay, grab it.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Okay.
You got locking for it.
Transplant. Same thing. Okay, you gotta
Oh,
organ, scalp,
I got.
and bandage.
Place him quickly.
Okay.
That was close.
Ew, the clothes are off. Oh wait, no, it was still
He
on.
was like that.
Yeah.
Why do you say his clothes are off? Hey, yep.
Sorry guys, I didn't mean to say that. That's disgusting. Okay, this guy is checking me.
Okay, he's straight. I'll check cameras.
Okay, he's good.
Photo array.
Jensen has a patient.
That's a patient, okay.
I'll be in room 4.
Okay, I got that.
You got that? Oh, that's the last room. That's the last room too. So I'll come with you.
Okay. Wait, Brian's here.
Yeah, Byron's here, guys. If you don't know him, he's my brother.
I'm looking at you.
Yeah, in the store.
I'm looking at you.
Alright.
And
I wonder why it says right.
because we stabbed them with a needle, though.
Okay.
There, check.
Bandages.
Bandages, and that's it.
That's it.
That's it. Yeah.
Right here.
Got that. Now we're good. Have fun.
Alright, Doctor's ready. Fire for finger.
I'm getting ready until the shop opens.
Why is it the briefcase If you guys know, just let me know. Yeah, we should look at them.
Yeah, they're not either.
Wait! Literally a McDonald's right there.
Yeah.
My dad's here. My dad's here.
there's an antidote that makes patients recovery faster. So I'm definitely buying
Name's
that.
Ron from accounting.
Okay, about that.
You ever wonder why they keep hiring new people?
Okay.
Never mind. That's free.
Okay, he good.
Okay, looks good.
So we just have the one.
Okay. Be straight.
Be straight.
What if you check in? Patient.
Does he?
Yep. Room 7.
Room 7. That's my favorite room. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is your favorite room. Yeah, obviously. I know why it's your favorite. It's because it is. So satisfying too. Alright, sit down now.
Checking. So you ugly as normal.
Why do you have your briefcase sitting with you?
Don't care. Okay. I think this guy's good until.
Okay, I gotta do this now. Also, let us know when we
He's
should
a
do
patient.
part 2. Yeah, let us know when we should do part 2.
Okay, I'm gonna talk to this guy. Now I'm gonna go to the restroom.
Okay. Yeah, right. He's going to the restroom.
Hold up. I'm waiting for a bit. Real quick.
Alright.
Here.
Cough syrup, thermo, and bandage. Okay. Patient on fire! Here, I got it. I got the fire in my finger.
Use it. Okay,
I got the fire in my finger.
Okay, I'm gonna use it. Wait, hold up. I'm checking if he's like an entity.
Okay.
There's a guy that needs your help inside one of the rooms.
There is?
Yeah. Okay, this guy's safe.
Oh, Eduardo.
What?
It's room 8.
It's room 8?
Come, you have to come. Alright, use the restroom first.
What?
I'm making a video.
What?
You can say you can say hi.
What?
Nothing.
Huh?
Mark just came in and then I told him I was making a video and then he was like, oh, and then he left.
Alright.
Hi, Jacob.
What are you showing me?
Guys, don't mind them.
What the heck?
They're here already. They already got the food. Eduardo, come on. Oh, you're at the surgery already.
Yeah.
We're not playing?
Yeah, we're making a video.
Me and Melissa were about to play when we just found out.
Alright, Eduardo, come on.
I'm gonna leg really quick.
Oh, okay, I got it then. You can take a break. Guys, he hurt his leg. So yeah.
Bye. Transplant. Where is it? Sandy. Where is it? Transplant. Nothing. Alright, I got them. I got one drink.
Oh my gosh.
Are you okay now?
No, I hurt my leg.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Say the next time we'll be coming to the
I'm still hungry. Ooh, don't be twitching. Don't be twitching now. You're twitching on me, bro.
Alright.
You like this guy?
Eye drops.
This is a scary one that I don't like. When I saw a video that says when there's a fire, leave one fire in the corner. That's where the customers don't go, and that will stop fires from going to that room. Like in the corner of the room, because that's where the customers go.
Also, Nanny, did you know that when the patient's on fire, you can just use a fire extinguisher on it?
Yeah.
Well, that's common
And
sense.
also with glue, you can put fire on it and it will go away. Yeah.
Fire or
I
extinguisher?
mean extinguisher. Thank you.
I need some coffee, Will.
You're low? What's your chances?
44.
44? Mine's not 47.
Do y'all watch the when y'all eat?
Alright. I got so much.
Jonathan va a ir a la tienda. Sí, champú, jabón. No, es.
I'm gonna eat over here.
Siempre. Alexa. Y le digo 5 y me da una. Emily.
Whose drink is this?
Emily.
Do I do the patient?
Alexa.
Okay.
Alexa.
Patient. Thanks, I'll be in room 2.
¿Dónde está mía? No, you can't go there.
Your drink's right there.
Pero ¿dónde está mi
Here.
chicken?
Right here.
¿Dónde mi soda?
Oh my god, bro. Look at this. Glue everywhere.
No te muevas el barba. No te muevas. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Ya va.
It's behind. It's not right.
Oh, they don't have it. I was looking for number 19.
Who's Jeff, John?
I'm right here.
La niña mala.
Miniature sandwich.
Yo, guys, just so you know, we got McDonald's.
Yeah, say that.
Yeah, we got McDonald's. Oh, we need stomach and maple soup.
I have not beef for chicken nuggets.
Thank you, Eduardo, for saving my life.
Another patient coming.
I'll get patient 4 real quick.
It's probably me. Stick around.
Who is Donnie? Everything?
That's what you get at McDonald's.
Donnie,
Some of your stuff, you almost forgot a sandwich.
I have one.
Mariners and maple syrup. Okay.
Here, Alexa.
I have one. I have the same one.
Yeah, they did, and I had to look in the bag and say, hey, you're missing my
Roommate,
double what he was
roommate.
asking for.
A patient roommate.
And then,
Want mine?
and then they
Yo,
forgot
guys,
a drink. And I
none
told
of our
them,
parents know that we're making a video right now.
Yeah, mine.
Give me a try. Here's what you're on.
Oh, after you.
Thank you. Want mine?
No, I got some more sandwich.
Mommy, do you want mine?
So can I return it?
Pickle.
Look, I got the same thing as you.
Y'all gonna do it.
I don't like this.
Hey, take it off.
Okay, meal thing.
Mine was fine.
Not right there.
Take it off.
What am I doing?
What?
Just my patient and roommate. I'll
This is
do it.
why I was telling the next
I can do
time
it by
I
myself anyways too. Ivy drops, I know it. Scissors. Right here.
This is the other chicken sandwich.
Transplant. Antibiotic.
If that's a fish fillet thing.
You got a fish fillet?
It's chicken.
Oh, that's on the new menu. That's a new one. They just dropped.
No,
Yeah?
crispy chicken.
You get scared for some reason?
No. I just moved it. I don't know how.
Why you asking me all my hours? Good job. They say
Why do you always think I asked you mad? I just said, who's that?
I'm doing the last guy right now.
Yeah.
Oh, when we have to think about this because the ambulance is gonna come.
But now
Hey,
when
we
you
can lock
tell me,
in.
Whenever I run into somebody,
Me and you can do it,
I'm
right?
like, ooh, let me talk to them.
yeah, but I don't ask you like
Alright.
in front of them. Like, who's that?
Get on the cameras, get on the cameras, get ready. And also grab the taser.
Ah,
Well, that guy that was over there,
There you
he's
go.
my supervisor.
cameras.
He's got water.
Ah,
And the other one, the long hair, the one that was in there, behind him,
here we go.
that is his brother. And he was there too. His name is Train, I think, something like that.
That's Shane.
Not Train, no. Train.
Okay. Lock it.
I don't know who that is.
Here it is.
Is that a traditional one?
Alright, he's safe. He's safe. He's safe. He's safe. He's safe.
Texas Roadhouse.
He's safe. He's not safe.
Last person not safe.
The purple guy. The purple guy.
Yolanda, we want bread, okay?
Oh, he's in here. Safe.
John, you have to go. John, you have to go and you gotta go and get to a roommate. Roommate is in trouble.
They say he's
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Look on the side.
There, I killed him.
I like it right there. I like it right there.
because they only think they're friends. And if you want to do something else, you gotta buy it.
What did the
Jonathan was here. He said he
I want
wanted
the
to
onion
come.
blossom.
And guess what?
Onion
just
is fried
wanted
and
to
it's
fry.
cut and it opens up like a flower.
I thought you just wanted to go on fries. Why did you want to?
Onion oil?
No, I did.
You did?
I tried it.
It's like new.
It's okay though. I don't care if he takes my fries.
I didn't bring my phone.
You just ate a can of.
Please don't be too much. Make it.
Manage,
Maple
manage,
syrup.
manage,
That's
manage.
it.
You just ate a can of this much.
Alright, Oregon,
Vegetables.
Scout, and antibiotic. Do you got room 8? I'm at room 7.
Yeah, I got you.
Hey, let's go.
What? He died at the last second. No.
Hey, it's okay though.
Mhm.
It's okay.
There's only
Alright,
one.
now we can save the rest. Okay. Run. Okay, I gotta run. All I need to do is just give him a bandage, right?
Oh, there's two.
Can you help me?
They're
Oh,
good.
they are doing it. Oh, that's the 2 guys that were chasing me.
Who's Donnie? That's what I asked.
Yeah, I really don't know who Donnie is.
So you're in room 2, right?
Donnie.
Yeah, I'm running.
John, you can just get up there, like on top of these, and then because they're too small to get up. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, shoot.
I'm
Or
dead.
like
You get over here. You know why?
a
I'm
black
doing.
ass.
You know what I'm doing.
So we missed one.
We can't use it.
Daddy.
Mhm.
I saw
You know what? I'll die too. Actually, yeah, I'll die. I have to wait for the next patient.
A dumpling.
Yeah, she built a dumpling, and then his dad decided down.
What happened if we give him the wrong things?
All right, peace out, guys. See you
Yeah,
later.
guys, he died. My video's still